When the moment arrives, you must be ready. Every successful person begins with their own personal goal. These goals span the landscape and are only limited by the edges of our imagination, affecting every aspect of our lives. But one thing every successful person has in common is a sense of ambition, an internal drive to make their goals a reality. Whether it be in the classroom, the laboratory, the boardroom, ambition is the key to change, the motivator of success. It is the force that moves us to achieve, invent, and inspire. And that's where you come in. You don't plan to just be good enough. You've got lofty goals, but more importantly, you've got the ambition to make those aspirations a reality. You're just looking for the opportunity to put it all in motion. Drexel is the place where you can make it all happen. And it starts right now. Now is the time to let ambition guide your way. This is the place that will challenge you as you challenge the world. Here, limitation is not a part of the program. What if academic norms didn't matter? What if you were constantly encouraged to push the envelope? What if science, industry, and art came together, creating an environment of innovation and curiosity like nothing you've ever seen before? What if you found yourself surrounded by the thinkers, the creators, the people that truly move us forward? What if your education not only prepared you for the real world, but also placed you in it, allowing you to come back to the classroom with knowledge and experience that can't be found in any textbook? What if the world's greatest talent came to you? And what if those game changers wanted to lead you to what's next? What if you could prepare for jobs that have yet to be created? What if you were empowered to make a difference? Today, all this comes true. You are ready to take the next step. You have been chosen. This is your gateway, your opportunity. Today, your ambition takes hold. This is your moment. Let's get started.